Showing what I catch fishing in Sweden. Today I'm fishing a tiny stream. After all, size doesn't always matter. There are some big pike to be caught here, although this time they might not have been the biggest. I waved goodbye to this fish, and it even waved back to me. They are so nice. I actually caught a 4-kilo pike this session, but it jumped in when I went to take a photo. They really liked munching on this Garcia bait today. I don't know why, but they're just super nice today. They just don't want to go. I also spotted this tiny frog and this owl in a tree.